Parts Pro to 2012 Mazda CX9, stock number 7113, ran from the 6/2011 to the 12/2015. It's a TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory made tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left front door has wobbles. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory made tyre. Left-hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory made tyre. Right rear and right front door has wobbles in the door. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory made tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.